Hi there, everybody. Welcome back to another video today. This is Marybeth. I am in the back office of my Profit Pals Pro system, and I am going to share with you a short guided tour of the back office and everything that you are going to receive when you get started with Profit Pals Pro. This is a $50 program that provides tremendous value and great earning potential. It's affordable for the masses. It's worldwide. There's only a one-time $50 startup cost and a $12.95 admin fee one time. No monthly fees ever at all. So let's get into the good stuff without further ado. Everything is located right here for quick, easy access, easy to navigate, super user friendly. Okay? So when you come here, you will click on Get Started. You will watch this short video orientation, step-by-step guided video that shows you exactly what to do first to get your Profit Pals Pro system set up. 17 minutes, 48 seconds. Watch it from beginning to end. Don't take any shortcuts. It'll be well worth every single minute of your time. It's very easy. No tech skills needed at all, okay? Anybody can do this. Here's your instructions. You'll definitely want to click there and review that. Okay. It explains some important information about the opportunity. So go ahead and check that out. This is where you're going to go to set up your profile. You'll plug in your information like your first name, your last name, your email address. And this is where you're going to put how you want to get paid, how you want to collect those unlimited, direct, instant pay commissions of $50 with the potential to receive them over and over again, however you want to get paid, okay? You can choose to get paid multiple ways. This is global, this is worldwide, so whatever works for you, you can go ahead and plug in your information and your payment methods right here in the My Profile section. This is where you'll be able to track and monitor your team members, your downline right here. Now this is where it starts to get exciting. This is the marketing, okay? What you can do is you'll have access to flyers that you can download, use if you're into direct mail. There's a postcard gallery. You can go ahead, multiple postcard templates that you can use, download, print off, and send out if you so wish to do this offline. That's totally up to you. Many options. There's text ads. There's a whole host of email swipe. There's an ad generator contained in here, okay? You just hit a little button, you click activate, and it will generate ads for you, an email swipe. So if you have any kind of warm email contacts or any type of email list, all you have to do is swipe and deploy. It's really cool and slick, okay? There's a bunch of banner ads. There's a lot of different marketing materials right in here. And keep in mind, folks, this is a $50 one-time program, okay? Absolutely amazing and exciting. We have the product right here, the 5K formula. I'll click on this real quick, okay? It's a combination of audio, video, and digital downloadable products, okay? So we're going to go right here. This is the 5K formula. This is going to be your digital downloads right here and here. Okay, here's your audio training, a bunch of audio training here on making money, all right, to help you to succeed online. Here is another training right here, okay, so you can go ahead and check that out. A value of $499, the heavy hitters cheat code, incredible value-based training. This is your audio library where you'll get to plug in incredible training from some of the top leaders in the industry. If you've been in the industry for any length of time, like myself, you're definitely going to recognize these household names like Stan Harris, Diane Hockman, Ray Higman. Everybody knows who he is. Jack Zufelt, Tracy Walker, Greg Gomez, Darren Little, Steph Perez, okay? Here's all of your mindset training, your mindset transformations. Look at this. Great video, great video, great video. And how to attract prospects to you. Attraction marketing, folks. This is absolutely amazing. Here's all your videos, your audios. Here's more audios right here. Here's your digital downloads, folks. This is amazing. The 5K formula to set you up, to position you so that you can be in position to be able to have the potential to start earning and having 5K months, okay, with this amazing opportunity. This is an optional tool that you can choose to purchase if you want to and resell. Not required, okay? It's a viral video tool, and it can tremendously help you if you choose to pick this up, okay? There's more product bonus downloads right here. Okay, look at this. You can download all of these, all marketing related, email marketing, affiliate marketing, Facebook marketing, marketing online, iPhone app cache. Look at this, how to effectively build teams, leveraging your business, network marketing, folks. There is incredible value and content, all for a one-time $50 plus a single one-time $12.95 admin. Okay, and then you have this audio training right here by Stan Harris. He's an incredible, well-known industry leader. This can help you in many, many ways. And then you'll be able to unlock the Master Key system here with all of your additional training right here and 6 additional bonus downloads, folks. This is simple. This is easy to follow, easy to get started, easy to navigate, super user-friendly. Again, you watch this video tutorial. It's going to show you exactly what to do, how to do it, what's contained here, how to access it. Quick, easy, super simple, and super affordable. Okay? You'll go here. You'll check out your instructions. You'll set up your profile however you want to get paid. There's many, many ways. The money comes directly to you. Nobody touches it. You get to keep 100%, $50 over and over again. Okay? Great leverage built in because you will only pass up one sale, your first, but everybody that joins you is going to be passing up their first to you. And then you keep your second sale on to infinity. So there's incredible leverage built into this and no monthly fees. Tracking your downline, all your members, so you know exactly what's going on, who has joined you, all that good stuff, who has joined them, all your pass-ups, amazing. All of your marketing, again, we start here. We have our flyers, we have our postcards, we have our text ads, we have our email swipes, we have our ad generator. Let me show you how cool this is real quick. Look, you click here, you click generate your ad, and it pulls up some amazing email swipe. You can use this anywhere in the email space, okay? Or you can post this somewhere. You can even use this on social media, all right? Switch it up however you want. There's amazing banner ads, folks. You can post these anywhere that you want for banner advertising. It works amazingly well, okay? And of course, you can use Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube. You can use any form of social media that you so desire. Pinterest, LinkedIn, just to name about 7 of these, okay? So that is that. That is your products right here. This is your viral video tool that you can go ahead and access if you want to, okay? And then you can resell it if you choose to. That is entirely up to you, totally, totally optional, okay? And then, of course, you have all your bonus downloads right here, here, and here. So this is a wrap, folks, in a nutshell. This is an amazing little, super affordable, worldwide opportunity. I hope you are excited. I hope you found value in this. And all you have to do is to get started is go to my link below, dailypaybeginshere.com. So let me show you exactly what you're going to be looking at. Okay. Dailypaybeginshere.com. The link is below. You might need to type it into your browser. Dailypaybeginshere.com. And all you're going to do is just enter your name and your best email address. Click show me the video. You'll be taken to my sales page. There's 3 wonderful explainer videos that break it all down and fully explain it step by step by step. Okay, so let me show you exactly what that is going to look like. You're going to go to my landing page. You'll be getting an email, okay, an email follow-up. So you'll want to keep a watchful eye out for that. Okay. And of course, you can copy and paste this, bookmark it. That way you'll have this link when you are ready to get started. Okay, so you're going to watch this short little video right here. It's like 2 minutes and 45 seconds. A great overview. And you're going to learn how you can start generating unlimited $50 commissions with the Profit Pals Pro program. A wonderful 10-minute presentation video. This literally breaks it down step by step by step. No, you don't have to speak to anybody ever. These videos will be out there working for you 24/7, 365. They'll be working at 1 a.m. in the morning, 1 p.m. in the afternoon, 24/7. This is worldwide, okay? Paid plan video explains everything in a little over a minute. You want to get started, this is exactly where you're going to go. Here's my contact information. Reach out should you have any questions. Here's the wonderful button, Get Started Today. When is the best time to get started? Right now, today. Trust me, folks, everybody can do this. It is super simple. It is super affordable. No excuses, okay? And I even have Square Afterpay, so if you so wish and so desire, you can split this up into 4 interest-free installment payments. Okay, folks? Listen, get started. $50. Everybody has $50. Trust me, folks. Okay? Watch the movie. Come down here. Watch this video. Review all the specifics and details. It's really easy. Folks, look at this. There's another video. This can truly help you to make that car payment, make that mortgage, and take that dream vacation. For illustrative purposes only, here's a wonderful potential earnings calculator. Let's go low. Let's see, at 2 sales a day, this is what you could be doing weekly, and the potential to earn monthly. We increase it just by 1. Let's take it up a notch. Look at this right here, folks. This can easily help you get on track and stay on track financially and pay your bills on time, ahead of time, and pay down your debt, folks, okay? Check out these incredible testimonials. Let's listen to this one today before I close this video out, okay? But look at these. You definitely want to tune in. Okay, here is your bundle pack, your 5K, what I shared with you, and you can read the highlights, all the specifics, exactly what you are getting. Click here to see the package, okay? And there is there's the information, okay, right here, okay, to get started. So there we go. So listen to this, folks, and be prepared to be amazed.
My name is Brittany Johnson, but most people know me as Danny Cash, and I was invited to Profit Pals Pro by a friend who simply sent me an email. When I watched the video on the website and went over the details, to me it was a complete no-brainer, and I got started immediately. Within only a few hours, I was able to generate 4 sales, earning $150 and sending a passive sale to my sponsor. Now I am qualified to earn $50 forever. I highly recommend this system to anyone who enjoys instant payments. It's affordable, it's fun, and it's profitable. Don't think, just get started. It's too easy and it sells itself.
So there you go, folks. There is another wonderful testimonial. Folks, do not sleep on this. Do not overthink it. Do not overanalyze it. Just get started. Get started today. I'm here to help you every step of the way. If you have any questions, text or call me. You can always reach me. My link is below. DailyPayBeginsHere.com. And your daily pay can begin here too. Okay, but you got to get started first. Take action, and I'll see you soon on the inside. Until the next video, bye-bye.